Hello guys, today we are going to start doing the level marking for the gold. We'll start from the daily time frame. In this video, I am going to show you how to do the level marking in multiple time frames. We are going to do like from the bigger time frames to shorter time frames. So how will we doing this? We will learn in this video. So let's just start it. So in the daily time frame, as we all can see that the market is bearish. We're going to change it to the 4-hour time frame, and 4 hour is also bearish. As you all can see from the structure here that the market is falling and now it is ranging. So in the overall market is bearish. So we'll just mark the levels here. Let me just delete this one. At the 4-hour time frame, the main level we can see for the selling is here. First we'll try to mark the levels which is bearish, so we can look for the levels for the sellings because the main market structure is bearish. We are going to just do the analysis from which is like visible in our chart easily, so we don't have to like scroll like this, so we will not be able to see the candles as you can see. And as we can see that the market is getting market was bearish here, and there was a change of character here, and after the change of character there was one bullish move also, breakout structure, POS bullish and BS bearish. So after change of character, as you can see there was one breakout structure here, and after this one there was also, we can see that the market, you all know that the market is falling, so we just gonna mark the levels for the bearish structure because as we all learn that the trend is our friend. So after marking the levels at 1 hour time frame, we are going to drop it at, so here was change of character here at 1 hour time frame. Here we go for the breakout structure bullish, and we can see from this that the market is also bearish, and market never gave another change of character here. At this level was market should close above this level to give us change of characters, so but market never comes here, and every time whenever market get in this position, at this level of ours, market is getting rejected every time. Like market rejected this level twice, like one time here, so we are going to see now for the bearish move. After 1 hour we are going to the 15 minutes. Important time frames are these which we use to mark the levels. As market is bearish as you all can see, so we are just going to mark it for the bearish because overall our all time frames are aligning to each other, that 4 hours daily is bearish, 4 hours is bearish, 1 hour was bullish, but then now it change of character, it shows a change of character, and it also start going to downside, so it's also bearish. And now we'll take a first, our priority is to see if we can have any bearish trade. So breakout structure here, breakout structure here. So there was one level here from where we can see that we could have seen the selling, but the market already taps here, and all you can see that the market, when market taps it here, and market give a great reaction, and we can see how much pips let me just see how much pips we made from here, around 160 pips. So you all can see that the market gives us 160 pips already. But however, if market comes and again tap this level, there is a one level we can see for the selling, as this is our A plus level selling. Yeah, this is the one level we just see for the selling. Whenever market taps here, we can see the selling here. Like if market comes here and then we can see the selling here. Our targets will be according to our structure, so we will just trailing our stop loss according to that, and everything we'll see. And after 15 minutes, if the market is like little bit confusing, we can also come to the little time 5-minute time frame, but it's only for the advanced levels. The overall structure is bearish, so this one is the level where our only the stop loss will be around 35 pips, and we can see like around first our target will be like 100 pips around somewhere here, or we can just trail it, take the liquidity above this, and after just tap down and give us the target, because our whole overview is bearish. So yeah, so our for today analysis, our main focus is that we are going to see for the selling levels, because the main we are seeing that the whole structure is for selling right now. But we'll see if market gives any change of character or anything like that, then we'll see looking for the bearish for the bullish moves. But until unless we are going to see for the selling moves, because as trend is our friend and we don't ever take trades against the trend. We'll see when we will take trades opposite the trend for our time frames, to understand that market is that this zone is very important, and so we can see that the buying here and market is reversing, so we can just see if this level taps and we can see buying. But otherwise for the little time frames, we are going to align it with our higher time frames, as you all can see. So yeah, that's it for the today. If you guys want to learn trading, you can just DM me on Instagram, and you can just click on the link on the bio and you can text me. See you guys in the next video. Hope you learned something from this video. Stay tuned.